Oi everyone, Juliana here. Today I will show you how to make these delicious and healthy energy balls. They are usually made of oats, a nut butter, and a liquid sweetener like honey mixed with dried fruits, seeds, or even chocolate. Some recipes also can be made with the yogurt. They are perfect for healthy snacks, breakfast, pre-training boosts, and healthy dessert alternatives. I made 3 different flavors: coconut lemon, almond apricot, and chocolate. With such amazing ingredients, I think our Portuguese word of the day should be coco, which of course means coconut. For the coconut and lemon flavor, into a bowl add 100 grams of coconut cream or coconut milk yogurt, 50 grams of almond butter, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whisk all together until smooth. In another bowl, add 15 grams of coconut sugar, 100 grams of almond meal, and 70 grams of shredded coconut. Combine both balls together. Get a bowl with some coconuts and a tray with parchment paper ready. Shape the balls using a scoop or a spoon. The scoop is easier and faster. Just make sure your portions are 1½ tablespoon. Cover the balls with coconuts and then place on the tray. Bake them or put them into the fridge for later. I really like this flavor baked. I think the flavors come together way better. If you bake them, bake for 7 to 10 minutes. For the almond and apricot flavor, we will need 200 grams of dried apricot and 100 grams of boiling water. You can heat it in the microwave. Soak the apricot in water and let it rest for 5 minutes. Blend it, making a smooth puree. Add 1/4 cup of honey to the puree and whisk very well until all combined. For the oats, I like to use the processor. It's up to you. I'm also using a gluten-free oat. Combine 150 grams of oatmeal and 100 grams of almond meal. You can also use hazelnut meal. Sometimes I make them with hazelnut, and they are amazing. Combine both balls and scoop them over a tray, like we did with the coconut and lemon ones. You can also add a little extra taste using some more coconut to cover them. For the chocolate power ball, we will need a stainless steel bowl. Add 140 grams of 70% dark chocolate, 200 grams of honey, 150 grams of peanut butter, and 150 grams of almond butter. Over a boiling water pot, melt everything together, stirring well so the chocolate doesn't burn. Stir until all the chocolate is melted. Into your mixing bowl, add 80 grams of almond meal, 140 grams of quick oats, 30 grams of pumpkin seeds, 75 grams of shredded coconut, and a pinch of salt. Give it a mix. Cut some apricots or any other dried fruit you like. This recipe also works great using dried cherries. Bring everything together and mix over slow speed until it's well combined. Scoop them over a tray and bring them to the fridge to set. These energy balls are so good, very light, healthy, and of course, crazy delicious. I really recommend them for anyone wanting something super easy to make and that they can take on the go. If you liked this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for new updates to all my recipes and food adventures videos. Ciao everybody! Thank you so much for watching. See you next time!